Hi, Roddy. I'm not for sure if I'm able to meet Monday. I'm going to shoot for it, but in the meantime, I want you to take a look at something. So I got the files that you sent me, and I looked at your code here a little bit and what you're doing. I went ahead and just wanted to do a check on this. So I'm taking this file right here that you had, and I want to look at duplicates in terms of the fund ID, year, and month, because having some duplicates can definitely cause some of our discrepancies that we're seeing in our descriptive statistics. So when I execute this code here, this duplicates generates a report. I'm seeing that when looking at the duplicates, there are a lot of duplicates. So we've got for example, when there's only one copy, that's 1.35 million observations. And when we get down to, so there's 94 different ones with copies with different numbers of observations that are duplicated in each one. So that looks like there's an issue there. So I'll look at the do file editor. I'm going to tag these. What I'm doing here is I'm just running the duplicates, and it creates a little tag called dupe check, and I'm just going to keep it if the dupe check is equal to 1. So I'm going to run this code here. Duplicates are a problem when everything looks right on your merge, but you still have duplicates show up in different ways. Alright, so most of those we've lost. Now let's go to the editor and let's actually take a look at these. So for example, Sterling Capital Corporation in 2011, month 9, we have some duplicates here. Let's see, not in firm name, it's not a duplicate in terms of branding name, category, index name, sum of ME is the same, market cap, index return. Looking at here, everything seems the same. I'm looking for a discrepancy, something that's different, so I get a clue as to what's causing the duplicates. Everything so far is the same. Alright, still the same. Looking for a discrepancy. The SEC ID is the same. So there's a variable, I'm not sure what it is, it's called number. Here for one of the observations it's 2 and one of them is 1. Obviously we only need for each fund 1 observation per month. So we've got a problem here. And I'm also looking here at the manager. We have 2 different managers for this month. Everything I'm looking across. See if anything else is different. And the name. So this is a share class name, so we have one share class that's the class A shares load waived, and then we have another class that's a C class, and then here's the 12B1 fees are different. Branding name's the same. Deferred load is 1 on one and missing on the other. So I think what's happening here is that when you did the merge with the all list file, merging with the header information, your header information had data that was at the share class or the SEC ID level, and we need to roll those all into where it's just at the fund level. And I'm going to double check that intuition by going back to the do file editor, go back to the all list file, and I'll run that same duplicates report that I ran up here over the merged header file. So I'm going to do the same thing there, and yeah, when I look here, there are no duplicates at all in terms of fund ID, year, and month. There's absolutely 0. 138. That's at 1.38 million. 1.35. All right, so I think what we need to do is go back and see, for example, on the load where it was missing on one, and it was like 1%, I think, on the other. That one that's missing, if it's missing load, probably just put that to a 0 and then take the weighted average, so we have a a fund level, a portfolio level, weighted average load by TNA, and then look at the other ones as well and see maybe we need to repull the header but not at the SEC ID level. So think about how to do that, and I could talk to you tomorrow about that. The quick fix would just be to throw those out, but I don't know how important those names are going to be to you later on. All right, so think about that. See if you can come up with a fix. Maybe you have to re-import. You already have that header file. Strip that down, get a version of it that's at the portfolio level, the fund level, and then merge that information back into your main file. So again, you can't have anything that's merging that's specific to a particular SEC ID or share class. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.